Good morning, children. Good. This is third standard English class. In this session, we are going to complete the reader and write the classwork. Okay. So open your English readers. Page number 118. Block 18. Giving instructions. So you have to write in the reader only, children. Fill in the blanks. First one. Mark a V shape at the top of the dash of the book. At the top of the spine. Keep the triangles under a paperweight. Dash of the labels carefully. Peel the brown paper. Flap. Now, see children, leave the second and third one. Fourth one, place the following in sequence by writing the numbers in the boxes. Here they have given you jumbled sentences. Okay, now we have to write the numbers. So which one is in the order like that we have to write? A1, mark an upside down V at the bottom of the spine. B, use a scissor to cut out the four corners of the cover. C, open book in the middle of the sheet of paper. D, open the book to the center page. E, put the same sized books together. F, place the book back on the paper. G, peel off one label carefully from the sheet of labels. H, use tape to stick the folded portions onto the inside of the cover. I, close the book to OK and opens easily. J, mark a V shape at the top of the spine. K, use to cut out the V's at the top and the bottom. L, fold in each flap of the cover. M, use a pencil to mark the corners. N, paste it on the cover and write your name, class and subject. These are the instructions for how to cover your books. Now we are going to number these instructions. First, what it will come, children? Put the same sized books together. See here in the box you have to write 1. What is the next one? Open the book to the center page. This is number 2. Next, after that, what we have to do? Place the open book in the middle of the sheet of paper. This is the third instruction. Next, use a pencil to mark the corners. Here you have to write number 4. What is the fifth one, children? See here, mark a V shape at the top of the spine. This is the fifth one. Next, what is the sixth one? Mark an upside down V at the bottom of the spine. This is the sixth one. Next, what it will come, children? Use a scissor to cut the V's at the top and the bottom. 7. What is the eighth instruction? Use a scissor to cut out the four corners of the cover. This is the eighth one. What is the ninth one? Place the book back on the paper. This is the ninth one. What is the 10th one, children? Yeah, here. Fold in each flap of the cover. This is the 10th one. Next, close the book to see it looks okay and opens easily. This is the 11th one. Next, children, what is the 12th instruction? Yes, here. Use tape to stick the folded portions onto the inside of the cover. This is the 12th one. Next, what it will come, children? Yes, peel off one label carefully from the sheet of labels. This is 13th. And see, only one instruction is left. That is the last one. Paste it on the cover and write your name, class and subject. After completing the reader, open your English classworks. Open fresh page. Now, see block 18 we are going to write. See block 18, draw the double margin, giving instructions. Write today's date, children, 4-2-2021. After double margin, leave one line, write on the first bit, keywords. Then leave one line, write down spine, paperweight, flap, peel. After that, draw a line. Then leave one line, second one, meanings. For this, meanings you have to write. Meanings are there in the reader, children. You can copy it. Now turn the page. After the third bit, make sentences. Flap, paperweight, peel, spine. Make sentences are also there in the reader, but it is better if you write on your own. Draw the line. Fourth one. Write the most important instructions for how to make a paper fan. After that, leave one line. First one, see, you have to write the numbers inside the margin. Take a long piece of rectangular colored paper. First instruction, take a long piece of rectangular colored paper, full stop. Second one, start folding up and down till you reach the end of the paper, full stop. Next line, third one, make a hole at the bottom of the fan through all the folds. Fourth one, run a string through the hole. Tie both the strings. The fan is ready to use. Okay, children, you have to complete the classwork. Now I will show you how to make a paper fan. See, children, what is the first instruction? Take a long piece of rectangular colored paper. See, I have taken like this. Now what is the second step? Start folding up and down till you reach at the end of the paper. See, like this. Folding up, down. See, after folding up and down, you will get like this, children. Now what we have to do? We have to make a hole at the bottom of the fan through all the folds. So I am taking like this compass. So like this you have to make a hole at the bottom of the fan. Now what we have to do? We have to run a string through the hole. So like this you have to run a string through the hole. Now what we have to do? Tie both the strings. Like this you have to tie both the strings. Now see, our paper fan is ready. Okay, children? So complete the reader and the classwork. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.